ABS-CBN stars Vice Ganda, Bel Mariano, Kim Chu, and Andrea Brillantes are nominated in the 38th Star Awards for TV. The Star Awards for Television is one of PMPC's 3 annual award ceremonies. The other 2 are Star Awards for Movies and the Star Awards for Music. In the list of official nominees, Vice Ganda was nominated under the Best Male TV Host category. Apart from Vice Ganda, here are the nominees in the 38th Star Awards for Television. Best TV Station, A2Z, Aliw Channel 23, ALL-TV, Bilyonaryo News Channel, GMA7, GTV, IBC 13, INC-TV, Knowledge Power, NET25, TTV 4, RPTV, TV5, UNTV 37, Best Drama Actress, Andrea Brillantes Senior High, A2Z, TV5. Barbie Forteza, Pulang Araw, GMA 7. Bea Alonzo, Widow's War, GMA 7. Bel Mariano, Can't Buy Me Love, A2Z, TV5. Jeneline Mercado, Love, Die, Repeat, GMA 7. Jody Santa Maria, Lavender Fields, A2Z, TV5. Kim Chu, Linlang, A2Z, TV5. Marian Rivera, My Guardian Alien, GMA 7. Best Drama Actor, Alden Richards, Pulang Araw, GMA 7. Coco Martin, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, A2Z, TV5. David Licauco, Pulang Araw, GMA 7. Donnie Pangilinan, Can't Buy Me Love, ABS-CBN, A2Z. Jericho Rosales, Lavender Fields, A2Z, TV5. Piolo Pascual, Pamilya Sagrado, A2Z, TV5. Paulo Avellino, Linlang, A2Z, TV5. Ruru Madrid, Black Rider, GMA 7. Best Drama Supporting Actress, Aiko Melendez, Pamilya Sagrado, TV5, A2Z. Sherry Pie Picache, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5, A2Z. Glenda Garcia, Lilet Matias, Attorney at Law, GMA 7. Janine Gutierrez, Lavender Fields, TV5, A2Z. Kayla Estrada, Linlang, A2Z, TV5. Maricel Soriano, Lavender Fields, TV5, A2Z. Pinky Amador, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, GMA 7. Rockhayle Pangilinan, Pulang Araw, GMA 7. Best Drama Supporting Actor, Arnold Reyes, My Guardian Alien, GMA 7. Christopher De Leon, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5, A2Z. Dennis Trillo, Pulang Araw, GMA 7. Elijah Canlas, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5, A2Z. Joel Lamangan, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5, A2Z. John Estrada, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5, A2Z. John Lucas, Black Rider, GMA 7. Zygian Harinila, Senior High, TV5, A2Z. Best Primetime TV Series, Black Rider, GMA 7. Can't Buy Me Love, TV5, A2Z. FPJ's Batang Quiapo, A2Z, TV5. Lavender Fields, TV5, A2Z. Linlang, TV5, A2Z. Pamilya Sagrado, A2Z, TV5. Pulang Araw, GMA 7. Widow's War, GMA 7. Best Daytime Drama Series, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, GMA 7. Ang Himala ni Nino, TV5. Lilet Matias, Attorney at Law, GMA 7. Makiling, GMA 7. Nag-aapoy na Damdamin, A2Z, TV5. Padyak Princess, TV5. Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, TV5, A2Z. Stolen Life, GMA 7. Best Mini Series, Maka, GMA 7. Sparkle You, GMA 7. Walang Matigas na Pulis sa Matinik na Misis, GMA 7. Zoomers, A2Z, TV5. Daig Kayo ng Lola Ko, GMA 7. Best Drama Anthology, Landas ng Buhay, INC-TV. Love, Buzzling at Tali, Net 25. Magpakailanman, GMA7. Regal Studio Presents, GMA7. Tadhana, GMA7. Best Single Performance by an Actress. Ay de las Alas, Magpakailanman, Inang Walang Pamilya, GMA7. Andrea Torres, Magpakailanman, Kung Mawawala Ka, GMA7. Aramina, Tadhana, Sugar Daddy, GMA7. Bea Alonzo, Magpakailanman, Always in My Mind, The Kathbasa Story, GMA7. Gladys Reyes, Magpakailanman, Inaanak, Inanakan, GMA7. Michelle D, Magpakailanman, Wanted, Sperm Donor, GMA7. Mylene Dizon, Magpakailanman, A Christmas Miracle, The Madrid Family Story, GMA7. Rian Ramos, Magpakailanman Wanted, Sperm Donor, GMA7. Best Single Performance by an Actor. Bube, Magpakailanman, Tailor-Made Success, The John McClane Coronel Story, GMA7. Edgar Allan Guzman, Magpakailanman, The Rejected Son The Darwin Chong Story, GMA7. Gabby Eigenman, Magpakailanman, A Christmas Miracle The Madrid Family Story, GMA7. Martin Del Rosario, Magpakailanman, Hostage in Israel, The Jimmy Pacheco Story, GMA7. Miguel Tan Felix, Magpakailanman, Kung Mawawala Ka, GMA7. Mon Confiado, Tadhana Sino? Si Alice, GMA7. Paulo Contis, Magpakailanman, A Son's Karma The Wilbert Tolentino Story, GMA7. Ricky Davao, Magpakailanman, Papa's Boy The Arnulfo and Alfred's Blanche Story, GMA7. Nova Villa, Pepito Manaloto, Tuloy ang Kwento, GMA7. Princess Catherine Kulot, K-Panpan, Goan, Bulilit A2Z, All TV. Vanji Labalan, May Forever, Net 25. Best Variety Show, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A2Z, All TV. Tik-Tik-Lok, GMA7. All Out Sundays, GMA7. The Bube and Tekla Show, GMA7. Best Female TV Host. Amy Perez, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A2Z, All TV. Ann Curtis, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A2Z, All TV. Karil, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A2Z, All TV. Kim Chu, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A2Z, All TV. Maine Mendoza, Itbulaga, TV5, RPTV. Pokwang Tik-Tik-Lok, GMA7. Regine Velasquez, ASAP V5, A2Z. Best Male TV Host. Darren Espanto, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A2Z, All TV. Gary Valenciano, ASAP TV5, A2Z. Martin Yavera, ASAP TV5, A2Z. Oji Alcacid, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A2Z, All TV. Robbie Domingo, ASAP TV5, A2Z. Vic Soto, Itbulaga, TV5, RPTV. Vice Ganda, It's Showtime, GMA, GTV, A2Z, All TV. Best Musical Variety Show, Letters and Music, Net 25. Music Cover, INCTV. Best Musical Variety Show Host, Aaron D. Letters and Music, Net 25. Aiki, Music Cover, INCTV. Best Talent Search Program Host, Dingdong Dantes, The Voice Kids, GMA7. River Cruz, Julian San Jose, The Clash 2024, GMA7. Best Game Show Host, Dingdong Dantes, Family Feud, GMA7. Luis Manzano, I Can See Your Voice, A2Z, TV5. Luis Manzano, Negi, Rainbow Rumble, A2Z, TV5. Vice Ganda, Everybody Sing, A2Z, TV5. Willie Revillame, Will to Win, TV5. Best News Program, 24 na oras, GMA7. Agenda, Bilyonaryo News Channel. Frontline Pilipinas, TV5. Mata ng Agila, Net 25. Saksi, GMA7. State of the Nation, GTV. TV Patrol, A to Z, All TV. Best Female Newscaster, Angelique Lazo, Sentro ng Balita, PTV4. Bernadette Sembrino, TV Patrol, A to Z, All TV. Karen Davila, TV Patrol, A to Z, All TV. Corina Sanchez, Agenda, Bilyonaryo News Channel. Mel Chanco, 24 na oras, GMA 7. Pia Archangel, Saksi, GMA 7. Pinky Webb, Agenda, Bilyonaryo News Channel. Vicky Morales, 24 na oras, GMA 7.